Golden arches, iconic burgers, and fries that have conquered the world. McDonald's isn't just a fast food chain, it's a global phenomenon. But how did a small burger stand in California grow into a billionaire empire? Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of McDonald's and uncovering the secrets behind its rise to success. Let's get started. It all started in 1940, when brothers Richard and Maurice McDonald opened a small drive-in restaurant in San Bernardino, California. Back then, it was just another burger joint, but the brothers had a vision. They wanted to serve food faster, cheaper, and better than anyone else. In 1948, they revolutionized the food industry by introducing the speedy service system. This was the birth of the fast food model we know today. The menu was simplified to just burgers, fries, and drinks, and the kitchen was designed like an assembly line for maximum efficiency. But the real turning point came in 1954 when a milkshake machine salesman named Ray Kroc visited the McDonald brothers. He was amazed by their efficient operation and saw its potential for nationwide expansion. Kroc partnered with the brothers and opened the first franchised McDonald's in Des Plaines, Illinois, in 1955. Kroc's vision was clear. He wanted McDonald's to be everywhere. He bought out the brothers in 1961 for $2.7 million and turned the company into a franchising powerhouse. By standardizing operations and maintaining strict quality control, Kroc ensured that every McDonald's delivered the same great experience. By the 1970s, McDonald's was no longer just an American success story. The Golden Arches went global, with restaurants opening in Canada, Japan, Europe, and beyond. McDonald's adapted its menu to local tastes, introducing items like the McSpicy Paneer in India and the Teriyaki Burger in Japan. In 1990, McDonald's made history by opening its first restaurant in Moscow, symbolizing the end of the Cold War and the spread of American culture. Today, McDonald's operates in over 100 countries, serving 69 million customers every single day. McDonald's didn't just grow because of its food. It became a cultural icon through brilliant marketing and innovation. The introduction of the Big Mac in 1968 and the Happy Meal in 1979 turned McDonald's into a family favorite. Their catchy slogans, like "I'm loving it," and partnerships with global brands like Disney, kept them relevant for generations. And who could forget Ronald McDonald? The clown mascot became a symbol of fun and happiness, making McDonald's a place for kids and families. Of course, McDonald's journey hasn't been without challenges. In the 2000s, the company faced criticism over health concerns, environmental issues, and labor practices. But McDonald's adapted. They introduced healthier options like salads and apple slices, switched to sustainable packaging, and even launched all-day breakfast to win back customers. Today, McDonald's continues to innovate with tech-driven solutions like mobile ordering, delivery, and AI-powered drive-thrus. They've proven that even a 70-year-old company can stay ahead of the curve. From a small burger stand to a global empire, McDonald's has come a long way. Its success lies in its ability to adapt, innovate, and connect with people everywhere. Whether you love their fries, their Happy Meals, or their convenience, there's no denying that McDonald's has left an indelible mark on the world. So, the next time you bite into a Big Mac, remember, you're tasting a piece of history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite McDonald's memory in the comments below.